Do you have OCD? Do you find it hard to get through your day? Obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD, is an anxiety disorder that affects approximately 2 to 3% of the population. The disorder is characterized by disturbing thoughts that result in uneasiness, worry, fear, or apprehension. In most cases, OCD victims are conscious of their compulsions, but they feel unable to manage or resist them. These thoughts may take over one's life and can disrupt social relationships and, hence, need to be addressed. This product will utilize two of Verizon's core capabilities: connected devices service and wireless services. Through Verizon's wireless and connect devices service, the device components will be linked together to achieve the desired objective. All doors, electricity, and other house appliances are connected to the walkie-talkie via a wireless cloud and are pre-programmed to respond to it. With low latency, high consistency, and greater reliability, Verizon's wireless network will therefore present the user with a favorable platform to operate the walkie-talkie effectively and, consequently, reduce OCD symptoms. The primary objective of this device is to help OCD patients minimize the symptoms of this condition. To achieve this objective, a timeline of 8 months is required. The particular tasks that must be carried out are as outlined. Owing to its uniqueness, the product is commercially viable. It is highly likely that many people in my position will readily embrace the idea. Upon learning that the device does all those repetitive tasks for them while at the comfort of their bed, for instance, OCD victims will most likely find the idea interesting and thus buy the technology. With over 2 million people throughout the country suffering from the condition like me, a long-term remedy would be the most ideal option. There is really a compelling need for OCD victims to adopt this idea. With the way the condition has nearly taken over our lives despite using most conventional treatments, finding a way out of this will come as a great relief for everyone in my position. Checking whether doors are locked, for instance, like 5 times in a single night, even when one is almost certain that they are locked, is quite irritating. In fact, this can cause significant wastage of time and, more importantly, destroy one's relationships with the people around them. Healthcare institutions can be of great help in popularizing this noble treatment technique. Patients who may probably find the product unaffordable can get much assistance from healthcare organizations, which adopt them for use in treating OCD. Moreover, having the walkie-talkies in healthcare institutions will boost the awareness of the product among hospital visitors who include patients and non-patients. In fact, healthcare organizations will be targeted as a major market segment for the introduction of this product in the market. This will entail partnering with healthcare institutions and, most importantly, OCD therapists. By working with these institutions, launching the product into the market will be a little bit easier. Conventionally, OCD is treated through cognitive therapy, medication, and self-help techniques. Some patients may not respond well to therapy, and hence their condition may remain unaddressed. Medication is even worse than psychological therapy in terms of the associated side effects such as nausea and sleeplessness. After installing the device, all a user is required to do is feed the system with their need, and the device does the rest. The walkie-talkie is, however, not selective, and anyone can use it effectively. Similarly, medication can yield severe side effects to some people, and hence expose them to more conditions. With this product, users need not worry about side effects. To develop this product and launch it into the market, significant processes must take place, considering that it is a new innovation. Since the idea has already been generated, the major tasks that must be undertaken include idea screening, concept development and testing, business analysis, market testing, technical implementation, commercialization, and new product pricing. In market testing, the major processes will include producing prototypes, product testing, making necessary adjustments, and piloting the product in a test market. The anticipated cash outflows and cash inflows are as shown. At this stage, it is clear that the idea of developing the device is a worthwhile concept that ought to be taken to the next level.